Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, has said that after demolition come eviction drive, dismissal of employees and attaching of properties, Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government has imposed property tax, which is another ploy to economically cripple the people of the territory. Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said this is a cruel move to plunge the Kashmiris to starvation and force them into submission. Democratic Freedom Party constituent of All Parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the continued illegal detention of its chief Shabbir Ahmed Shah and other Hurriyat leaders languishing in different jails of the territory and India. DFP, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said basic motive behind illegal detention of Shabbir Ahmed Shah and other Hurriyat leaders was to keep them away from the people. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency has attached the ancestral house of prominent liberation leader Mushtaq Ahmed Zargar in Srinagar to Marla House situated in Nohatta area of Srinagar was attached early Thursday morning under a case registered against Mushtaq Zargar under the Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said she was not allowed to visit the family of Abdul Rashid in Kunanposhpora area of Kupwara district, whose dead body was found yesterday. Arrested by Indian Forces personnel on December 15 last year and subjected to custodial disappearance a day later, was found dead in the forest area in the district. 2 persons were killed and 6 others were injured in a road accident in Rajouri district of Jammu region, according to Kashmir Media Service. A minibus turned turtle near Keval turn in the district, resulting in the injuring of 8 persons. Foreign Office has said that Pakistan will continue to raise its voice against the grave human rights violations being perpetrated by the Indian troops in the occupied Kashmir. Foreign Office spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch at the weekly press briefing today highlighted the ongoing human rights violations during the month of February.